Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chef Panic here with Wardens of the Aether. I know I've been promising some more airsoft taste test. I'm actually doing this before work, so I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing for a new little pistol. Ordered a few pieces to come with it in the hopes that, just from the get-go, I can get moving on this idea. Trinity and I still have to do our loadout video idea, so that's gonna be good. So here we got our packing paper, packing slip. We got Puff Dino gas with the oil added. Lovely. We have, and this is the one I love, the package deal actually came with 0.25 biodegradable BBs. I feel like that is huge. A lot of times they tend to not come with that. It's just the normal BBs. Not that that's bad, but I feel like a lot of fields are still moving towards the biodegradable BB, so I highly recommend buying biodegradable BBs straight from the get-go. We have here a Lalex Power Barrel. I do believe that this is the 6.00, so kind of cutting it really tight right there. A Unicorn gas blowback competition grade bucking, 70 degree. A Cow guide rod. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Just because I'm curious if it'll actually work. I mean, I know that sometimes they don't actually fit one-to-one, but regardless, here I have the Sig Pro Force M17 gas blowback pistol with a green gas magazine. I'm going to open that up real quick. That Coyote Brown really does look nice. Don't know what that is. I'm really curious. Surprisingly not as weighty as I thought it was going to be. The polymers and that grip feel solid. Got the oil on top. Metal upper slide. Okay, let's check out the magazine. First things first, see if there's any gas in there. Okay, no. It's got that extended base plate. Honestly, it's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be for the M17, but it feels nice. Like, it feels, the grip feels very comfortable, straightforward. The magazine release doesn't jut out or stick out too much, so it's just a very easy thing. Safety. Slide release. Okay. Boom. It definitely has a longer trigger pull than I thought it was going to be. I don't know. I gotta check out the manual on that, because it seems that after pulling the slide back, which should set the striking pin, I don't know. It's an interesting mechanism. So we'll find out more. Stay tuned as I delve into the M17. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, just want to do something quick, put something out there. Probably going to end up uploading this tonight after work. So yeah, y'all take care. Get your M17 package over at Airsoft GI. This was actually a really great deal. Got that with the biodegradable ammo and the gas for $172. Can't beat that, honestly. All right, so y'all have a good one. Take care from Wardens.